What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Going to a tournament on Percy Priest Lake. Gonna try to put together a bag and see if we can win this thing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the water.
I got one. That's fair. Oh no. Oh, that's a big one. That's a bit. That's a big one. Got one.
Throw him out there if you don't make it.
Small yard. Small girl. Small girl. They didn't even get out after the day. And then the day on the fish for, I think you said they fished on 3 or 4. And they had got one that, and they had 5 limits of fish, and each one was fished for 16, 18 pounds. That's a good fish. Hey, you know what? I think that's oh yeah, that's a good one. We found it. They come in a little bitty hook, man. And pull it easy. Yeah. Oh yeah, that one didn't make it.
Barely hooked.
Yep. We found this too. Some chain. He's a really good fish.
Yeah.
You catch them in there? They're in there. They're always in there. Got one. Oh no, big time, big time.
He knocked the fire out of that thing.
Yeah, it's a smallmouth. What'd you expect?
I don't have one hit at that hook. I got one. Got one. Please tell me that's a keeper.
Walk off the rail and fall off the barrel. Can't get out.
That's a good idea.
You have to stick a stick a dynamite in there and run.
I don't know. Oh, that's a big one. That's a bit. That's a big one.
Oh,
Well.
Keeper's brown.
He fell.
Maybe a Keeper brown. I don't know. He's gonna be close. I think he's short.
Golly.
I think he's gonna be short.
Felt a whole lot bigger. That's a fish. Oh, that's a big one. That's
a good Chase, dude, you got to calm down, man. That's a 4.5 pounder. Chase, dude, you got to calm down, man. That's a 4.5 pounder. Oh, man.
I knew there'd be one on that. What a call.
What a call. Hey, Chunk and Wine.
Here comes Neil Smith and Chase Tyree with a limit. Oh, did he? Jay, you got this limit by yourself? Good limit. It's $16.85. Give me a big fish. I haven't had to say that in a little while. Oh. You're out of here, DeKalb. It's $6.51.
Tyree and Smith. Y'all just Tyree? Tyree did it all by himself, meaning he gets 2 checks. There you go. So he gets a $250 scholarship check. He gets a plaque for big fish and another $250. Not a bad day.